Today we're showing you a 2014 New Holland Boomer 47 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 260 TLA quick attach front loader. Tractor has just, I think, right at 1,050 or 1,060 hours. It's a nice clean tractor. We took the tractor in on trade from a small local farm. Basically, we're upgrading to a cab tractor. Tractor runs and works as it should. No known issues with the machine. Does have the loader, I'm sorry, the skid steer saw quick attach here and your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Got a few scuffs in the hood here. A little bit of paint coming off the side there. Overall, nice clean tractor, but it does have a few blemishes. We did replace the front tires, so the front tires are new. Back tires are in good shape yet. Has the foldable rollover bar, rear hydraulic outlet back here, extendable 3-point arms. It does have the gear drive transmission, 4 ranges, 4 gears, gives you a total of 16 speeds. And then it has the mechanical shuttle right up here on the dash for forward reverse. A little bit of a tear here in the seat. And again, overall, a very nice clean tractor. Local trade-in. Again, no known issues with the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.